Hi loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. As always, I am excited to bring you new videos and this one is no different. I am excited. It's holiday season. It's my favorite season of the year. I am heading to Florida soon to visit my family for Thanksgiving, but I wanted to do this video before I left and hopefully it will get posted before Thanksgiving. So this video is like a first. Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a first because it's my first high-end purchase. And I am so excited to share it with you guys. Ooh, look at this. If you guys want to see what is inside this Louis Vuitton bag, then definitely stay tuned. Thumbs up the video and be sure if you are not a subscriber to subscribe, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. I appreciate you, love you, happy holidays. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing what's in my bag. Okay, so first of all, I love the bag. The bag that's in the box that's inside the bag, I love even more, but I love the bag. And let's see. Woo. Ooh, it even smells good. Oh my gosh. I love it. It's almost like too pretty to unbox, but yes. So if you guys have followed me for a long time, you may know, I don't think I shared it on YouTube, but maybe a couple years ago, my grandmother passed away and I inherited her, her Louis Vuitton collection. And just a few pieces. The Louis Vuitton Retro, which she never really used, and because of the sentimental value, I hardly use it, but I'm trying to use it more. And then the cosmetic bag and wallet that goes with it. So I only have a few pieces, and like I said, they were inherited, so I didn't buy them out of the Louis Vuitton store. So I wanted to add to my own collection, and I purchased this recently, so I'm very excited. So let's get into it. Oh my gosh. It's like almost like, you know, those gifts that are just so pretty, you just want to keep them in the box. That's me. So I do definitely think this is very good for holiday gifting. So for some of you that want to give some more high-end gifts, this is very nice. Try to make it like just slow and just fun. I mean, come on, the packaging already. Yeah, it is a new notebook. So I have been following this lady on Instagram for like the longest, or you know, as long as I can remember. And when I find her her handle and everything, I'll put that down below. But she had the cutest Louis Vuitton notebook. I think it was from last year's like Christmas, and I wanted to get that exact one because it had like a pink stripe down the bottom, but this one I fell in love with, and they had one in the store. So it's really so cute, and of course on the inside it's pink. Love, love, love. And you guys know how I'm into stationery. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that. So what I've just decided is, instead of spending like money throughout the year on all these notebooks, I'm just gonna buy like maybe like one or two Louis Vuitton notebooks or higher end notebooks, and use those throughout the year. I'm so in love with this. So this one is the I'm gonna have to link the name below because I wanted to get the one that's like the signature LV print that matches my my bag, but I fell in love with this one, of course. You guys know it has pink in it, you know, like that's my thing. So I got this one first, and I probably will go back at a later time and get the other one that matches the bag that I have now. But this one is just, you know, for my own collection. So it's really nice. I mean, very good quality, of course, and I love it. And so one thing about Louis Vuitton is they do the like gold foil stamping, so I can get my initials stamped here. I went to a store that's like further away from my house, so I wanted to get it done closer to my house so that I can go in and pick it up, because it takes like 24, I think they said, to 48 hours. So I will be going back to get this gold foil stamped, CMM. I love it. I love that you can personalize it a little bit. And I'm really happy with this purchase. So this retails, just in case anybody is wondering, this one was $185, and I think with tax here it came to about $200. So like I said, instead of buying like 4,000 notebooks in a year, I'm gonna buy like probably like 2 or 3, and the way I spend on notebooks, it's going to come out the same. So I'd rather have like one notebook that I really love that I may spend a little bit more money on than buying like hundreds that I do love, but like, you know what I mean? Like it's just not the same. So that's my new thing. I am going to do a series on like starting your high-end collection and things that you can do, and kind of like upgrading your style a little bit, and this is part of that. So I'm very excited, and I do think it's a great gift. So I think it's a great gift for the stationery lover in your life. The planner, they have agendas, of course. After you buy the Diva Diaries planner, then you can go and get a Louis Vuitton one, but and I'll link that down below. But I really do think this is a really nice gift, and we are in gifting season. So for those of you who do spend a little bit more money on your gifts, this is great for the stationery lover or the Louis Vuitton lover or the higher end person in your life that you want to bless with a gift. These are great. They come in different designs, so you have some options there. And I think it's great. It feels so luxe, and it is just such a nice gift. So definitely stay tuned for more gift ideas. I'm gonna have some, of course, this is more of the higher end. I'm gonna have some lower end gifts, some mid-range gifts, and just some gift ideas that you can give to those special people in your life during this holiday season. And of course, a card goes a long way. So for those of you who like to make cards, I'll be doing some DIYs with the Cricut. So definitely stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just a really quick unboxing. I wanted to share it with you guys first before I used it. So I really hope you enjoyed. And I will see you again on my next video. Definitely leave your thumbs up, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you soon. Happy holidays.